Hey guys, so as crypto is dumping or stagnating, I want to share some alpha, some free opportunities, some great opportunities, and at the end of this video, I will show you some NFTs that I'm holding myself that give you free money, free mints, free opportunities almost on weekly basis. And this is a fact. I basically hold these. I'm not intending to sell these. But first of all, overall markets are looking quite sad, quite bad. People are, I think, leaving, pausing this crypto bull run. No one is interested even in meme coins. Meme coins are 70% down. But I want to show you this website, which is quite interesting, which is Bitcoin Laws. And this is strategic Bitcoin reserves, basically legislations and updates. Here you basically can track all the USA states that are doing this Bitcoin reserve race. Here you can see strategic Bitcoin reserve race, and you can see which states are progressing the faster. For example, Arizona is on the level 3, which is chamber 2. The furthest, which is Utah, basically on the committee 2, and they basically need one approval, second approval, and then this strategic Bitcoin reserve could be enacted. Really bullish. I didn't know about this website, but you can basically see how far each state is to basically getting the Bitcoin strategic reserve approved. So this is a one great website. So second thing is this. Basically, why I am bullish on Bitcoin is because here USA is making crypto a national priority. Gensler Biden era crackdown is over. Corporations are buying Bitcoin. Even countries are buying Bitcoin and starting to look at the reserve, strategic reserve, as well as the USA is doing. Governments are starting to buy Bitcoin. BlackRock wants to tokenize the world. Larry Fink is really bullish on crypto and Bitcoin and tokenization. And companies are launching L2s. For example, Sony is launching their own, already launched the Sonium, which is a Sony blockchain. Now, BlackRock bought 3,840 Ethereum, worth 10 million. So, as you may know, Trump is buying Bitcoin, Ethereum. BlackRock is buying Ethereum. And the fact that Trump is buying so much Ethereum for the last few weeks is so bullish. I think there is something coming. The prices don't show it, but I think something is brewing. And sooner or later, we will see a massive price action. That's what I think. My price prediction for the next 4 years until Trump is in the office, I think Bitcoin will reach 500,000. Ethereum probably 20,000. That's basically my bull case for the next 4 years. And I hope for a faster bull market. Right now we are nowhere near the bull run. The next thing I want to show you is some of my holdings. These are not the real prices that how much I hold, but these base coins I am still holding. I'm really bullish. I think these three, Doggin Me, Base God, Basenji, will be listed on Coinbase. There are many signs because Coinbase has mentioned TYBG, Doggin Me. Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, have talked about Doggin Me as well. Jesse Pollack, the founder of Base Network, has mentioned TYBG multiple times. That's why I'm holding these. In my opinion, 20x, 40x for Base God is really possible because Toshi is already market cap through 323 million. It went to 800. So Base God is really low. Dogging Me as well, and Basenji really low. So these are basically my top meme coin holdings as of now. This is interesting. My Pet Hooligan, which is a NFT project from 3 years ago, basically from 2022, dropped a new roadmap. Really interesting to drop a roadmap in these bearish times. I don't know why they think that this is bullish to do updates in bad markets, but still, respect to my Pet Hooligan. They have their own token Carrot. So here you can see for yourself. So bullish on my pet hooligan. The floor price of this NFT collection is 0.21 Ethereum. I'm not holding myself. I just like that projects are still building, and they don't care about the bear market. They are still building. I mean, we are not in a bear market. We are like in a, I think in the middle, not bearish, not bullish, not in euphoria, but not dead. So everything can happen. We are waiting for some news, for some announcements from Trump, from the USA, from the Trump administration. So that's what everyone is waiting. Everyone's waiting for the China tariffs, what will happen. Now, another bullish fact is that first payouts of the FTX hack, scam, dump will be starting February 18th, so basically in 11 days. And these will be claims under 50,000, so people that lost under 50,000, the repayments will be starting February 18, which is $1.2 billion totally, and will be repaid at 190%, so more than that, more than they lost. So really bullish. I think most of this money will come back to crypto, at least half, like 50%. Now larger claims, the people that held 50,000 plus will be paid in stages. So this is worth around 17 billion. This is really huge. Hopefully these will be paid out in 2025, because these are really large sums of money. And I hope until summer or at the end of the summer everything will be paid out. Probably not, but that's what I hope for, because usually the Q4 of crypto bull runs are the most bullish ones, and I hope for the bullish Q4. So that's that. Another thing is Good Vibes Club. I am really bullish on this NFT project because they are real 3D artists. They have been working with Facebook, Google, Apple, many more huge brands, Microsoft, and this is one of the NFT projects that I'm really bullish on. And why I am bullish on specifically on this one is because, first of all, I am holding MintMink, and MintMinks gave you the opportunity to mint this Good Vibes Club. I think the floor price for this will be at least 0.5 Ethereum to 1 Ethereum. That's my prediction. And these are basically the NFT collections I will show you that I'm most bullish. So if you are holding the MintMink, you basically qualified for this whitelist. So every MintMink holder, the snapshot has already been taken, but if you held the MintMink, you will be qualified to mint this Good Vibes Club NFT. But remember, you have to go on the VFriends website and connect your wallet, create your account for you to basically be qualified. If you haven't done it, you should reach out to the VFriends support. That's my suggestion to you. Next NFT collection that I'm bullish on, which is giving me free mints, free whitelists, free money, is 555 Hunter Rel. Yesterday I got a free whitelist from the Hypers on Hyperliquid NFT collection. So again, if I sell it like in the first few minutes, that's a free money. I think this is quite hyped collection. And let's see on X. So Hypers, let's see, 49,000 followers, 133 followers that I follow. So these are many legit people. You can see for yourself. So this 555 collection by Hunter Orel, really respectable guy in this crypto space. Basically, I got a free whitelist, and there are not many people in this group, maybe like 60 to 70 active people. So if he gets like 30 to 50 whitelist opportunities and he raffles 50 tickets, it's really easy to get, because like 70 people are active in this Discord from this collection. So there is a high chance that you will get the whitelist. And the third one is Admit One. Last week I got like some 100 or 200 worth of airdrops. Also whitelists from this Admit One, because again, only 1,000 members in this collection, and this is run by G Money. 300,000 followers on X. That's why this is another one. Maybe 100 people are actively following everything that he's posting or giving opportunities for crypto airdrops for whitelists. That's why, again, if he has like 50 whitelists available and 100 people sign up, which you can do on their Discord when you buy this NFT, you have a 50% chance to get something. And basically what you have to do is buy and hold and just follow their Discord. The Telegram is really active. So much alpha on the Telegram. That's why these three are my favorite NFTs right now, because it is not about 10,000 animals that will be creating their own game or something like that that needs a huge adoption. These are basically utility NFTs, and they give you, again, free airdrops, free whitelists. They can reach out to teams that are dropping and that are hyped. For example, this Good Vibes Club, if you held a mint mink, you got access to this upcoming drop, which will be huge in my opinion. That's why these three are basically my most... I'm not intending to sell these anytime soon, and if we get a closer or bigger bull run, these will get so valuable because they will get more opportunities to give for their holders. And yeah, that's basically the alpha for today. If you want to get a daily alpha even earlier than my YouTube videos, because it takes time to edit YouTube video, you can join my Patreon. Only $10 a month, but you'll get daily alpha multiple times a day. It is much easier, much faster for me to post on Patreon, and many opportunities that I post on Patreon, I'm not posting on YouTube. That's why. And why I'm doing this is because it takes me 1 to 2 to 3 hours to upload YouTube video. This takes me a few seconds, and by the time I have uploaded the YouTube video, the NFT mint or the something that you have to act upon fast is already gone. That's why many opportunities only on Patreon. And as we are approaching bigger bull run, these opportunities will get more intense, much more limited, and we will have to act fast. That's why. But there will be opportunities daily. That's why if you want a daily alpha, follow my Patreon. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.